Hello, beautiful people and others. Let's get to business. Um, get your headset, find some water, and get ready because today we're going to be working with imperative. Remember to follow us on CNR private English classes. So pay attention to the lesson. Imperative. Imperative is a conjugation of the verb. And with this conjugation, we express orders, instructions, and also advice, recommendation. Something that maybe you have heard is like, go quickly, come over here, etc. Or maybe when you are reading the instructions for cooking something, pour some water, don't live near the children, etc. Let me show you some examples. Again, we use imperative for orders, instructions, and advice. Affirmative, you can just say, come here, like an order, come here. Notice that here we don't have you, I, they. We just say, come here. And if you want to show some politeness, come here sounds a little aggressive. So if you don't want to sound that aggressive, you can say, please come here. Please come here. Go to sleep. You have children. Hey, go to sleep. You can say, hey, please go to sleep. Please go to sleep. Notice that please is in parentheses because it's optional, but it is always a good idea to use please. Negative. For negative, we need to use don't. Don't. Come here. Negative. Don't come here. Go to sleep. Don't go to sleep. Please don't come here. Please don't go to sleep. Imagine that you have your children again and you want to give your children instructions. For example, do your homework. Don't touch that. Clean that up right away. Don't play with your toys, etc. So, in other words, we have imperative. Imperative is the conjugation of the verb, and we use that conjugation like that alone. Come here, go over there. No subject pronoun here, no person here. To give instructions, orders, or advice, recommendation. Think about the doctor. That the doctor says, don't drink coffee, drink a lot of water, try to sleep more, etc. Remember to try to use please to show some politeness. And negative, don't. So, yeah. So guys, study, read, listen to music, speak to your friends in English, of course, and remember to subscribe over here, follow us, and in the comment section, let us know about the instructions, the orders or advice that you usually give to other people. What do you usually say to them? Well, see you when I see you. Bye bye.